Gemini, welcome to the Onyx Moon Tarot. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Go to my Facebook page, The Onyx Moon Tarot. Follow and like for a daily pick a card and card of the day. Gemini, there's no gender in tarot. I'm pulling on your sun sign of Gemini. You can check your other placements. I could also be pulling on cross-watcher energy, so it might not resonate because this is a collective reading and I could be talking to a lot of Geminis. If it does resonate, give me a thumbs up. Keeps me in the algorithm. And if it doesn't, you can negate the reading. I'm fine with that because I could not be talking to every Gemini that's listening. So what do we have? Key on a ring. Many options, unconventional, one night stand, string along. I fill you up, you fill me up. Stagnant, can't make a decision. Holding back, a hoarder, somebody that's codependent. Throat chakra closed off, heart chakra closed off, crown chakra closed off, stingy with their finances. Could be because they don't have it, could be because they do have it and they don't want to give it up. This is a person to watch out for. This is someone that holds on to everything, doesn't give anything up. People, finances, emotions, feelings, thoughts. This is a no. That's why they can't make a decision. You could be their Two of Cups. They're not going to let you know. They'll do without before they become vulnerable. Could be because of childhood wounding, but you know something? We're not psychologists. It's not our place to be doing shadow work for people. They need to do their own. Obsessive thoughts. What did I say? There can be addictions. There can be all kinds of addictions. There can be food addictions, gambling addictions, sex addictions, drug addictions. This person, just from these three cards, this person is bad news. I'm just straight up, just these three cards. This is just Four of Pentacles. This is avoidant personality disorder. Four of Pentacles is avoidant personality disorder. Who wants to deal with that? Unless you're just okay with being the occasional friends with benefits. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. There is nothing here. This is a total selfish waste of space. There's nothing there except for them. They're selfish. And the devil on top of that, just keep it moving. Keep it moving. Let them pay for play. We don't candy coat things here. The Magician, they're a trickster. And the thing is, Gemini, when I fall in love, I fall in love completely. That's the Gemini. Five of Swords reversed. So if this person has already hurt you, and it looks like they have, because you were all into the Two of Cups. They fill me up. This is my Two of Cups. This is my person. And I'm going to do anything I can just to be by my person, regardless of how many times they hurt me, which is a continual cycle, cyclical. The mind fuckery is lessening. I don't know if you're pulling yourself away from it. You are aware that there is mind fuckery. You are aware that they're scrambling your head. It's what the Magician does. You're aware of that. Equal give and take. That's what you want. That's what you deserve. Is that what they're saying? That, let's see. Are they saying that they are different now? Yes, 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 they are. They have fixed themselves. They're a work in progress. They are a work in progress. They are manifesting better for themselves. They're no longer going to be doing the things that upset you. They're into equal give and take, and they have a big apology for you. They have a real big apology for you. They know that you mourned them and that you cried over them. They know that. But there's still life left in this relationship, and they want to move on together with you because you are each other's two of cups, is what they're saying. Yes, they will still be out and about, moving fast, moving quick, all about action, not consistent, not reliable, because you'll need them, and they're going to be out sharing the wealth of their sparkling personality with others. That has not changed. Possibly speaking ill of you to others, not lifting you up. But when they are with others, not speaking highly of you. Lying, cheating, betraying, stealing, or possibly asking you for finances, for you to fund them with something, asking you straight up for money, not paying you back, have no intention of paying you back, asking you to co-sign for a car, something like that, with no intentions of ever paying you. None of this has changed. This is all how it will be. And they will continue to keep their options, and they will continue to visit their options, and they will not be reliable, and they will not be consistent, and speak badly on you for any of the good things that you've done, still with the exceptions of going out and talking badly to all of their other choices and lie to your face about them, while promising you a happy home where you're going to be fulfilled emotionally, spiritually, mentally, and physically. And that home is actually going to be full of tension, arguments, and competition that you don't even know you're in, until you finally walk away with your walls up. Possibly broke. In need of some major healing. Gemini. If this resonates, give me a thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Go to my Facebook page, The Onyx Moon Tarot, for a daily pick a card and card of the day.